Hello everyone. So we are back again with our latest video. So in this video we are going to discuss how to download and import Microsoft official sample database, which is AdventureWorks database, in our SQL Server Management Studio. So basically this sample database which is provided by Microsoft is for practice purposes. So anyone who is learning SQL and want to practice on some real-time data, so he or she will download this particular sample database. So basically this is considered as a good source of data, because means it contains data related to many persons, production, sales, and various kind of human resources, and also many detailed datas. Okay, so that's why we are going to download this particular database. And without any delay, let's start the download process and check how it is going to be downloaded. So for downloading, trigger up your favorite browser and search there download AdventureWorks database. So it came in my system, and then press enter. So you will get this particular link, which is AdventureWorks sample database SQL server. Okay, and this should be from microsoft.com. Okay, now click on this particular link. So once you click here, you will be redirected to the official website page of Microsoft. And when you scroll a little bit down, then you will see here download backup files. So basically these databases are in the format of backup database files. So we will download them and then import that particular backup database into our SQL Server Management Studio. So basically it is divided into certain groups like OLTP. So OLTP database is nothing but it's the online transaction processing database. So basically it enables means huge amount of huge amount of database transactions. So in database transactions means insertion, deletion, and querying of the data in real time scenario. So this is considered as a good database for working process. So we are also going to download this OLTP only. And then the second one that it has provided is the data warehouse. So basically this particular database is for data warehousing stuffs, or you can say for business analysis kind of things. And at last we have the lightweight database. So basically this lightweight database, as its name suggests, is the lightweight database. So we will don't download this. So for downloading this OLTP database, what we need to do, we need to go down and press on this AdventureWorks 2019.bak file. So .bak format is the format for that backup database. Okay, so if you are not aware of this, then you can check other video on how to means backup, how to create backup and restore database, that is available on our channel. So let me show you that particular thing also. Okay, so for going to our channel, you just need to go on YouTube and you can search for abkcho SQL tutorial abkcho. Okay, SQL tutorial abkcho, and then this is our channel. And when you go on our channel, then here you will find this video, how to backup and restore database in SQL Server. Okay, so currently we have currently we have put this video on our channel, so you can go here and check the full process if you want. Okay, so once you click on this particular link, then the OLTP database will be downloaded. And if you have a system means less updated system like SQL Server Management Studio 2012 you have downloaded, so you can download this particular also, or 2014, then you will download this. Okay, so once you download this, then the file will be in your download folder. So basically I have downloaded to not make this video much larger. So once it is downloaded, it will be available in the folder. Okay, so the next thing what you need to do, you need to just copy this particular file, this .bak file, and copy this and go to this PC. And then in your C drive you need to go, and in C drive you will find this program files. Let me make it big. So program file folder, in this program file folder, when you enter, you need to search for Microsoft SQL Server. Okay, down double click on Microsoft SQL Server. Now here you will see the local instance that we have, MS SQL 16.ms SQL server. So double click on this folder, and then you will be enter in MS SQL folder. Okay, now in this you need to go in backup folder. Okay, and after going into this backup folder, you need to just paste this particular the .bak file in at this location. And after this, what you need to do, you need to go to SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so here we came in our SQL Server Management Studio. Then I'm going to connect with the local database using the Windows authentication. Then connect here. And when you go to database, so basically I have pre-imported this particular AdventureWorks database. So for showing you, I will delete this for now. Okay, so for deleting a database in SQL Server Management Studio, so you can do it both by graphically and also by using a query. So for doing it graphically, what you need to do, you just need to right click on the on the database name, and then go to delete and just click on delete. And let's check the method of doing it using the query. So for query, you just need to write the name drop database and then database name. Okay, so put it here and then execute this query. Okay, see, cannot use the cannot drop the database because it is currently in use. So basically we are currently in the same database, so that's why it is not deleting this. So what we need to do, we just need to change the database name. So we can go in this database abcacho, which is our channel name and our channel name database. So here we need to run this. Now execute. So see this complete command completed successfully. Okay. Okay, so now after deleting this database, what we need to do, we need to refresh here. So once you refresh here, see the AdventureWorks database is gone. Okay, so now we need to import the database. Okay, for importing that particular database in SSMS, what we need to do, just right click on this database. Okay, and here you get an option of restore database. Okay, so click on this option, and after this, what you need to check that here the source is database or drive or device. So what we have that .bak folder in our device. So we will click on device. Okay, and you will see there the three dots is available. Okay, so now you need to click on this three dot. So once you click here, then a pop-up will come like this, and then you need to select the backup media type. So backup media type, in our case it is .bak file, so we will choose for file. And you can also choose for URL if there is a URL for importing the data. So basically this is the method how we will import a database if it is present in .bak, means backup file format. Okay, so we check for file and then here backup media. So here we need to add the location where our file is available. Okay, so once you click on add, then it will redirect you to this pop-up, and here it is mentioned that here we have our database.bak file. Okay, so AdventureWorks 2019.bak file. Okay, now click on this. So if you don't able to find this here, then what you need to do, you need to just refresh this, and after refreshing this, it will appear here. And if even after refreshing it will not appear, then what you need to do, you just need to go here and check for the backup folder. Okay, and click on backup folder, then it will load this backup folder in which our file is available. Okay, so now click on this AdventureWorks 2019.bak file. Okay, and then click OK. So once you click OK, and then again you need to click OK. Okay, so after doing this, you will get this particular interface. So see here, our AdventureWorks 2019 database is available here, and it is ready for restore. And the thing that you need to check is this particular box has been checked. Okay, so once see for this if this is checked or not. So once it is checked, then you need to press OK. Okay, now see, we get the message that database AdventureWorks 2019 restored successfully. Okay, now just press OK. Okay, so see here, once you imported this, the database is available here, AdventureWorks 2019 in our database section. Okay, so that is it for today, friends. So what we need to do now, so thank you for watching the video, and do like, share and subscribe. And many more videos are coming, they are on the way, so wait for that. And basically if you want to know from the core of the SQL server, that how the database is created and how we create a table, so from scratch, if you want to study SQL server, then we have started a course on course of master series on SQL server, so that you can follow for this. And for following this, subscribe the channel and enroll yourself as soon as possible, as we have just started that particular series and we are working on this. And as soon as you will subscribe the channel, you will be able to get enrolled. Okay, and also for training purposes, online training purpose, you can contact on the given number. And thank you for watching.
ਬੋਲਦੇ ਮੂੰਹ ਤੇ ਕਹਿਣੋਂ ਸੰਗਦੇ ਨੇ ਮੈਂ ਰੋਟੀ ਪਾਇਆ ਜਿੰਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਵਰਸ ਦੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਮੰਗਦੇ ਨੇ ਆਓ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਾੜਾ ਚੰਗਾ ਬੋਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ